Hi, everybody. DUGROZ here with DUGROZ Reports. We're learning a lot now that the Citi Strata Elite has been released about what Citi plans to do. And I will give you just a couple short tidbits here about something that may have gone unnoticed in all this hubbaloo that came out. Even Anthony Venture got on at 3:30 a.m. this morning to tell us about it. And that is as it relates to the no annual fee Citi card. So I only have 3 Citi cards. I have what used to be a Citi Rewards Plus, but now it's the Citi Strata no annual fee card. And then I have 2 of these, 2 custom cash cards. The second one is not pictured because it's in my car. But it's worth mentioning that when I logged into my Citi account today, I noticed some transfer partners that weren't there before. So it sure looks like Citi has increased the number of transfer partners that you can move your points to, even if all you have is the no annual fee card. Now, I speculate you have to have the Strata, which is what my Citi Rewards Plus turned into about 2 weeks ago. And I'll share my screen and show you those in just a moment. Before I dive in, though, on this particular YouTube channel, I talk about finding epic value, including, but not limited to, credit card rewards for the average American. If that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to the channel and please click the thumbs up button. Let's dive in. We won't take long today. I'll just plain show you what I saw. So here's what I see when I log into my Citi account. So for airlines, it used to be the only airline you could transfer to, I think, was JetBlue, and then the only hotels you could transfer to were Choice and Wyndham, both at reduced ratios. The reduced ratios are still a thing. These are kind of bad ratios, or at least reduced ratios, but there's a whole lot more of them. So now we have Aeromexico at 1,000 to 700, Avianca at 1,000 to 700, Cathay Pacific at 1,000 to 700, Emirates at 1,000 to 560. That's odd. Etihad at 1,000 to 700, Ava at 1,000 to 700, Flying Blue, which is Air France and KLM, at 1,000 to 700, JetBlue, True Blue, 1,000 to 700, Qantas, 1,000 to 700, Qatar, 1,000 to 700, KrisFlyer, Singapore Airlines, 1,000 to 700, Thai Royal Orchid, 1,000 to 700, Turkish, 1,000 to 700, and Virgin Atlantic, 1,000 to 700. And then for the hotel partners, we've got Leaders Club, which is leading hotels of the world, 1,000 to 175. Now it says this is a 25% transfer bonus. So I don't know what it'll be once that ends. Well, I guess it would be, what's that work out to? Like 140? Somebody else can do the math for me. Accor at 1,000 to 350. Choice at 1,000 to 1,400. That's what it was before. It used to be 1,000 to 1,500, and then for some reason they reduced it by 1,000 points. I Prefer, which is preferred hotels, 1,000 to 2,800. It's 1 to 4 when you have one of the annual fee cards. And then Wyndham at 1,000 to 700, which is, again, 1 to 1 if you have one of the annual fee cards. So kind of a short, quick, and dirty video. Not sure that you'd want to use any of these at the not so great transfer ratios. That's up to you, but just interesting to note that if you have a no annual fee Citi card, at least the Strata, you can now transfer to all of their transfer partners except for one. There's one that's missing. Did you notice what it was? American Airlines. There's no AA. I was figuring they'd give at least like 1 to 0.5 or something like that with American Airlines. And maybe they still will. Maybe the website's being updated since we're still in the first 24 hours. But like I said, worth sharing. Quick video. Put your thoughts down below. Subscribe to the channel. Click the thumbs up button. And as always, may your spending be frugal and may your points be plenteous. Thanks.